My love, this is for you. No te Aro'a. This is for every battle nobody sees, for every tear you hide behind your smile. Aro'a yako e tuatau ravarai. Last night you were fighting pain alone, lying in a hospital bed so far from home, trying to be strong while your body felt weak, carrying 1,000 thoughts you couldn't speak. Eta kuaroa, kuaroiroi koe. My love, you are tired. Te tamakinei koe, te aora ravarai. You keep fighting every day, and when you said you're tired of feeling this way, my heart wished it could take your pain away. Because the hardest part for me to see is knowing you're hurting and I can't set you free. So close your eyes and rest tonight. You don't have to fight every fight. I am Māori, etaku Aro'a. Rest peacefully, when the world feels heavy and your strength feels small, remember my love is here through it all. Aro'a yako e tuatau ravarai. I love you always, through every storm and every rainy day, when your heart feels tired and your skies turn gray. Aro'a yako e tuatau ravarai. Even when you're hurting and you can't find your way, even when the words are too hard to say, kapura no o I te poeteau. I'll pray for you night and I'll still be here praying you'll be okay. No te me Aro'a yako e tuatau ravarai. Because I love you always. You told me your body's changing now, random mix and migraines bringing you down, and hearing those words broke something in me. Cause nobody deserves that kind of misery. But even through the fear behind your eyes, I still see the beautiful soul inside. If I ne puro tu koiro to ito kungakao. You are beautiful inside. The girl who keeps trying one day at a time, even when life feels like an uphill climb. So when the darkness whispers in your ear and tomorrow feels covered in fear, take my hand and hold on tight. We will make it through the storm. We'll get through another night. Aro'a yako e tuatau ravarai. I love you always, through every storm and every rainy day, when your heart feels tired and your skies turn gray. Aro'a yako e tuatau ravarai. Even when you're hurting and you can't find your way, even when the words are too hard to say, kapura no o I te poeteau. I'll still be here praying, I'll still be here praying you'll be okay. No te me Aro'a yako e tuatau ravarai. And when you say I love you so much, those words stay with me. No ato te au mana mana takatoa toa. You still found love in your heart, and if one day you ever forget your strength, I'll remind you who you are. Beautiful, strong, loved. Aro'a ina mataya. Love so much, more than you'll ever know. Aro'a yako e tuatau ravarai. Not just on the easy days, not just when the smile remains, but through every battle and every pain. And if your heart ever feels alone, remember you'll always have a place to call home. No matter how far life pulls us apart, you'll forever have a piece of my heart.